Taking a look inside this beautiful Manitou pontoon boat, you're going to see a lot of features exclusive to Manitou. The quality of the workmanship is second to none. It's got great vinyl, really nice foam that's going to stay like new for a long time. The stitching on it is beautiful with the yellow piping. It has some unique features like the seats, backs that switch forward and backwards, so you can face either towards the rear of the boat or you can face towards the front of the boat. It also has a tri-fold table. So how this works is right now it's in the table configuration, but you can fold that down and flip it back over and it makes an extended bench, which looks about like that. Or you can just fold the table down and have that extra floor space. This is something exclusive to Manitou, and it's just a great feature. One of my favorite parts of the Manitou boats are the biminis. They're super large, very easy to put up and take down. You can actually do this by yourself. Most biminis this size take a couple people, but if you have to, you can definitely do this by yourself on the Manitous. The helm's great with a nice captain's chair. It's got a very nice Garmin digital device. This has your fish finder, your clear view of the bottom, all of your data, maps, navigation, you name it. It's got a Fusion stereo system. Just a really nice setup, all your light controls right there. And one of the other features I really like about the Manitou boats is all the seat tops are hinged. So you have storage underneath every seat, and in that storage, the bottom is actually sealed. You can see it's actually sealed plastic so that if you throw a fish in there or you spill something in there, it's easy to clean up. A lot of boats, the seats are right on the deck, but the Manitous are all sealed underneath. It's got really nice seafoam decking, tons of cup holders. It's just a boat loaded with features. You got your ski locker right there. It's very easy to drive, very comfortable. You can fit a lot of people on this boat. This particular boat is rated for 13 people, and with the big swim deck out back, which is unique to Manitou, of course, you have just a lot of space for the entire family and all your friends. We do offer demo rides. We are open 7 days a week, and if you're shopping for a pontoon boat, you definitely want to get out on the water in a Manitou. You'll see a huge difference in how they perform, and you'll notice, especially with the swim deck, how much space these boats have. They're great boats. They're built in the US. The company's been around for a long time. We've been a dealer for quite a few years. We've had a lot of good luck with them. We do have certified technicians, and we are a dealer that's going to stand behind our boats. And if you're looking to get a new boat, come on down. We hope to see you at the store.